Hi, I'm Brian Greenstone with Greenstone Fine Mineralia, and we are the first, and as far as we know, the only company to make custom museum quality 3D printed mineral bases like the ones you see here. Our custom mineral bases do have some things in common with the traditional acrylic bases. For example, they do have a custom form-fitted indentation where your mineral sits, and on the front there is of course the locality and the species information. But our custom bases also have some pretty major advantages over those traditional acrylics. For starters, our bases start at just $35, and they go up to, well, around $85 for a pretty large, thick one with back supports. Additionally, with our bases, we can do this. Built-in backlighting. Micro switch on the back, built-in battery pack, LED light. Even a base as complicated as this with built-in lighting still costs less than most traditional acrylic bases. But what our customers really like about our base making process is that you never have to send your specimen to us. Your specimen stays with you the entire time. We don't have to see it, we don't have to touch it. So you save the expense and the danger of shipping it to us and that risk of having us ship it back to you. Your mineral stays with you. Also, our turnaround time is usually very, very quick. Most customer orders are completed within about 48 hours of receiving the order. So if you place your order on a Monday, odds are you're going to have it by the end of the week. Also, we keep an archive of all of the orders that we receive. We keep backup files of everything. So if you ever lose your base or damage a base, not a problem, because we can always just print out another copy for you. Also, because of how our process works, our mineral bases have a better fit than you've likely ever experienced before in a custom mineral base. The tolerances are extremely tight. Your mineral specimen is going to fit like a glove. Our bases are actually made out of a hard but lightweight resin, and they're available in a matte black or a matte white finish. And we also have a pretty wide variety of color options for the text on your locality label. So how does our process work? Like I said, you never send us your specimen. We never have to touch it. Instead, what you're going to do is you're going to make an impression mold of your specimen. Then you're going to take some photographs of that impression mold, upload those to us, and from those, believe it or not, we are able to produce a very accurate and very detailed 3D scan of your mold, which allows us to build a 3D model of your base. On our website at finemineralia.com/bases, you will find a series of tutorial videos that will lead you step by step through everything you need to do to make the mold, photograph the mold, and then submit your order to us. It's a very simple process that only takes a few minutes to do for each specimen. Greenstone mineral bases are a new kind of mineral display base. Colors really pop against the matte black, and they create a very elegant and museum quality look for your mineral collection. We have strived very hard to make this a very simple and a very, very affordable option for you. I hope I've piqued your interest. For more information, please go to our website at finemineralia.com/bases, and there you'll find all of the tutorial videos, the pricing chart, and the order form. So hopefully we'll be making some custom bases for you soon.